I think this is the right way.
Hopefully.
Oh, this is our time to be stealth ninja dudes.
That's what we like to be.
A whole bunch of no bullets being thrown, yeah. Oh,
Not being impaled is pretty great.
there's a sniper. Oh, there's multiple snipers. Gabe, I'm going to die.
Uh-oh.
Actually, I might be okay. I was getting shot by a sniper, and I was, not a fan.
You were having a bad time?
I was, yes, confirmed having a bad time. That is correct.
So I looked up today how much books would be, and what a surprise, we don't have any except for the elective, which is chemistry. And the only book that I have to get is like, I think 160 bucks at school, new.
I haven't even looked, because I'm still gonna try and get out of all those garbage can classes. Hey, stop shooting me. What did I ever do to you? I'm slightly happier now.
Oh, yeah. There's no way I can get out of that though, because I haven't taken it before.
Look at these little med kits over here. Oh, ha! Gotta go to the keypad, not the blinky lights. I see hunters. I see a hunter. Oh, there might only be one hunter. Because there's his friend. Alright, start shooting. Oh.
That was easy.
Teamwork! Making the dream work.
So
We're
like,
split up, just gonna throw that out there.
what?
We're split up.
Oh. Did I go the wrong way?
No, I think you can go around that way too.
I don't know why, but I am running at not very many frames per second. Lagging quite a bit.
Uh-oh. Ooh.
Uh-oh. I'm dead.
Ooh. Oh, hey, stop that. Get some help.
Worst thing is I even had one of these. There we go. I hijacked.
And then I ran James over. This is that part.
It was very, very tempting.
I know what you're doing. This ain't my first rodeo.
I had to learn it from somebody, you know. Okay, so big question. Okay, there we go.
Can you take us there?
Affirmative.